Hello everyone, good morning. I want to thank you for coming to my presentation. Nice to see you all. My name is Wahyudi Agustian. I have studied composting at Bandung Institute of Science Technology, and here I will share what I have learned. Have you heard that palm oil was pollute the environment? Today, I want to share with you how palm oil processing was is organic fertilizer through a process called composting. The topic that I will present today is divided into several parts. The first about is the meaning of composting, then about composting process, and finally the conclusion. Now that you're aware of the overview, let's begin with understand what is the composting. Composting is process of making food for soil and plants by breaking down organic matter from empty barns and POME. Next, we will discuss how the composting process takes place. There are several processes that organic matter goes through before it becomes food for plants. Starting with enumeration, then making the heap, then sprinkling, then reversing, after that temperature measurement, drying, and harvesting. Firstly, composting aims to reduce the size of empty bunch to facilitate weathering during the composting process. The machine used to chop the empty bunch into fine fiber is fiberizer. Then after being chopped, a pile of fine fiber is made with length 110 meters, a width of 5 meters, and a height of 2.4 meters. Then pile of fine of fiber is dosed with raw POME to keep the pile moist for microorganisms that help the composting process. Then a reversal is carried out along with watering using a tool called is windrow turner. This is done every day until the heap is 40 days old. After watering and turning, temperature measurement were done to monitor the composting process. There are 3 stages of measurement. The first stage of degradation, carried out at week 1 to 4 with temperature of 55 to 70 degrees centigrade. What stage of conversion, carried out at week 4 to 8 with temperature 35 to 55 degrees centigrade. The 3 stages of maturation are carried out starting at week 8 with temperature of less than 35 degrees centigrade. The next process that cannot be missed is drying. Drying aims to remove water content in metal compost and easy to transport. The last process is harvesting. Metal compost is used as a substitute for conventional fertilizer. The compost pile will be loaded on the truck using a wheel loader and applied to oil palm plantation. That brings us to the end of this presentation. I would like to summarize by saying that palm oil processing does not always hurt the environment, but it can also be used as organic fertilizer for plants through a process called composting. If you have regarding the focus of this presentation, please feel free to contact me at wahyudiagustian@gmail.com. Thank you for your attention. I hope this presentation gives us new insight on how to treat waste to produce something useful.